At school, I still haven't learned about residential school within the school system. When I was young, I just was like alienated from the whole idea of residential schools. And now that I'm older, I'm realizing that it's a really big part of my own trauma and my own experience. I remember in maybe grade 11, I did a project about residential schools, and it was like quick. It was an open subject type project, and I decided to talk about it. And I think it was about then where I started questioning to my mom and dad different things, like did my grandma go, or what was her experience? And it was always that she wouldn't share too much. One of my aunts told me that the first time my grandmother wore shoes was when she went into residential school, where they took her moccasins. And I feel pretty proud that I'm able to go dance at powwows or to participate in ceremonies and different teachings. That it's not being taken away from me. That I'm able to participate with honor and just think of my grandmother's struggles, and I'm just pretty proud. I'm pretty proud of where we're at, but there's still a long ways to go.